What is M2M? Machine to machine, or M2M, describes technology that enables network devices to exchange information and perform actions without the manual assistance of humans. It is a foundation for the Internet of Things. M2M technology works by taking automated sensor data and transferring it over a public access network, such as cellular or Ethernet, to a computer to interpret the data and act accordingly. There are several benefits to using M2M technology, including real-time data updates, greater insight into business operations, cost savings, minimizing resource consumption and losses, and increased revenue. M2M technology is used in a variety of industries such as transportation and logistics, manufacturing, energy, robotics, and healthcare. This technology can be used at home as well. Smartwatches, smart home devices, and digital wallets are examples of M2M technology. If you like this information on M2M, please share this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!